Most of us upgrade our tech on a regular basis. New laptops, phones, tablets. But have you ever wondered what happens to the old ones? Today we are looking into how proper e-waste recycling supports sustainability and powers the circular economy. Electronic waste is one of the fastest growing waste streams in the world. Globally, we generate over 50 million tons of e-waste every year, and much of it ends up in landfills or gets shipped overseas unmanaged. But it doesn't have to be that way. The circular economy is all about designing waste out of our system. Instead of making, using and dumping products, we repair, reuse and recycle them, keeping valuable materials in circulation for as long as possible. In the case of e-waste, that means recovering components, metals and plastics that would otherwise go to waste and putting them back into the supply chain. And electronics contain precious metals like gold, copper and rare earth elements. Recovering them through responsible recycling reduces the need for new mining, cuts carbon emissions and lowers the environmental impact of production. And by partnering with certified e-waste recyclers, businesses can ensure their old devices are processed safely and responsibly. You help conserve natural resources, reduce pollution, and meet your sustainability goals. It's not just good for the planet, it's also good for business. And at TFix, we believe responsible recycling is key to a sustainable future. Our WEEE collection services are designed to support circular practices and make it easy for businesses to reduce their e-waste footprint. And if you want to be part of the solution, visit tfix.co.uk to learn how your business can recycle smarter. Thank you.